What's up, guys? I'm walking up my driveway. I'm in the beautiful shade. There's a heat wave coming through, so it's really hot out today. We're gonna test out some slow motion, or basically high frame rate recording with the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So we're kind of testing out a few features. Hey, there's a butterfly. Please, sir or ma'am, we're trying to get some footage here, and it flew away. So yeah, I'm actually gonna try to capture, I might set up the tripod on a couple flowers or on my hummingbird feeder. And I have this camera right now set to 240 frames per second, which is pretty high speed for like a cheap camera like this. Since this is an older model, this GoPro is like $100 bucks or 120 bucks, and it's got a pretty lot of features. So we've been testing out some of the features. Here, look at this. Let's do our first experiment. Look, I got a wrench here. I'm gonna give it a flip, and I'm gonna spin it in the air while I'm flipping it, and let's put it in slow motion. Let's see it in real time first. How about a double flip? Wow, we caught it. Okay, let's check that out in slow motion. I hope that was cool. I haven't seen it, but I think when you're shooting high speed, I think like bright light is important. So let's get in the sun, and I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod, and we're just gonna keep recording. It's pretty hot out, so I don't know if there'll be any creatures, but I'll try to capture some insects or hummingbirds. We got this little rock garden here by my cucumber tower. We have some milkweed flowers. There's a bumblebee. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod, and let's see if we can capture some insects, and then we'll put them in slow motion and see if it even works. Alrighty guys, we got some footage. I'm gonna go and edit and I'll get this video out for you guys, but I just wanted to say thanks for watching, and we're gonna do more weird and fun projects. And tomorrow I have the giant pumpkin update to film, so we'll be back really soon. Let's end this video. I'm gonna throw you guys up in the air. Hold on tight. We're gonna do a slow motion. Are you ready? Here we go. Are you guys okay? Oh, I saved your life. You guys owe me. Let's go. We're going to the hospital.